Huawei P20 to Sport with 40MP trial camera with the monochrome teleport and RGB lenses.
Get fastest update on tech by tapping on subscribe and bell.
Flagship chip Kirin 970 is going to sport Huawei P20 according to the roadmap of Huawei 2018. Kirin 970 is the same chipset was used with the Huawei Mate 10 and going to sport Huawei P20 with its high-end features, and the Huawei P20 will be cost around in between 640 to 820. The trial camera setup of monochrome, RGB and teleporter will be the best feature of this phone and going to be the AI supported in future mobile community. So the phone will support the insane 40MP triple lens camera. Huawei is well known with its camera features, and the latest EMUI runs on the best camera features, and the phone with the 40MP trial camera is going to be the beast among the flagship chips.